Are you tired of staff that don't perform? Is the last employee you hired a disaster? The amount in direct and indirect costs could be considerable. It is hurting your business. There are three types of employees. The ones that clearly fail, we hire them and we have to part. And then there are the ones that clearly perform well and are exceptional. And then there are the ones in the middle that underperform. The underperformers are the expensive ones. They fall short of target, but not enough to terminate. We hope that they will improve, but they rarely do. They seem to hang around the organization for a long time, and they constantly miss their KPIs. Accumulated over the lifetime of employment, this can be a very expensive employee. Therefore, you are irritated, disappointed, and frustrated. I understand this because I've hired some of these people myself. Briefly, I've been recruiting for 25 years. I worked on roles from office juniors to CEOs. I have a BA in business economics and a Master of Science. I've been a managing director for 20 years and worked in the US, Denmark, and Australia. And I purchased companies and opened about 10 separate businesses. 11, I grew it from 0 staff to 60 staff in 3 years. No one I hired had any industry experience. Underperformers, though, has cost me a lot of money too. So why do underperformers not deliver? When an employee does not perform, it is usually not related to skills, but to behavior. Skills can be taught, behavior rarely changes. And every job has a specific behavioral profile, dependent on duties, the clientele, the product and the services, the organization, its culture, as well as management and performance pressure, as well as a range of other factors. Behavioral profiling is about matching a job profile against a candidate profile. Assessing a candidate's profile prior to appointing them can minimize the risk of a painful, unsuccessful, and ultimately costly hire. So how do you do a behavioral assessment? Well, gut feeling is important. We all use it, but it should not be used alone. Recruitment is about verification of information from multiple independent sources. Having an independent behavioral profiling system is a big help. Behavior-based interviewing has been around for a long time. But if you have not created a behavioral job profile, how do you know what profile you're looking for, what profiles you want to avoid, how are you going to create the right questions, and how are you going to rate the answers to these questions, and how are you going to assess if the candidate is the right one for the role? This is a useful tool to minimize this risk. It is simple, it is accurate, as well as inexpensive. The best part is that it's easy for you to use, whether or not you undertake your own recruitment or use an agency. So I'm offering you a free disc profile, no strings attached. Fill out the form on this page and we will send you an invitation for you to complete. It just takes 10 minutes. Feel free to contact me either on my email or on phone. Thank you very much.